Singapore skyline. Over there is the Fullerton Hotel, which is very historic. And in the distance, you can see the Merlion, which is a symbol of Singapore, Marina Bay Sands. And I'm kind of walk around. They have a light show going on at 2000, which is really cool. I was over there at the Sky Park observation deck earlier today, and I thought I'd come back down here in the evening, check it out. So let's go for a little walk, shall we? Curious place here. I think the starting room right here, if you want to stay here, is around $1,500 a night. And they have these light shows that go on nightly. So I'm looking forward to that. I've never seen it. And it's supposed to be a pretty good spectacle. Just a lot of, like sights and sounds of what's going on here. I'm not sure if these are real trees or not. Maybe they aren't. Platform that you can hang out on when this light show goes off. Let's see if I can get these palm trees, I think. This is the main entrance right here. Of course, you can almost walk in anywhere around here, really. This is the platform. Probably one of the best areas to look at that light show tonight. That's a good view right here. There is the Sky Park observation deck up there. That's probably the best place to go to watch the light show. But down here is just as good. This is what we're actually waiting for right here. The Spectra. Light and water. Get a little of the vibe here. Check this Louis Vuitton thing out. This is really something here. Look at that. And they got a walkway right below. You really enjoy yourself. So that is the Art and Science Museum. How about that? See how cool this boardwalk is, just kind of walking on it. Nice and cool out. Big difference between coming here during the daytime and the evening. Okay, as I said in the beginning of the video, to stay here at Marina Bay Sands, it's starting at $1,500 a night. That's probably the basic room, and I'll show you what kind of view you're going to get, right up there. And the other view is Gardens by the Bay, which is on the other side. Or maybe you just get both views, I don't know. But that's the advantage. How about that? You get what you pay for, right? And up there on Tower 1 and 2, there's actually swimming pool up there. So you got that going for you too. Okay, while I'm waiting on the light show right here on the platform, we're gonna go name those hotels and banks. So check it out. There's the Mandarin Oriental. Pan Pacific. I'm not sure if that's a hotel or not. Marina Square. And you can see the Merlion over there. The Fullerton Hotel, the first one, that's the old one. And there's a ton of banks because this is the banking district, I believe. You have Maybank, Capital Land, MYP, UOB, Singapore Land, JP Morgan, Deutsche Bank, Standard Chartered, HSBC, DBS, there's so many of them. Anyway, over there, that's the Fullerton Bay Hotel. I went in there the other day. The starting room right there is about $600 a night. Cool thing about it is you get on one of those little river cruises right there, and you can watch the light show from right there. light display here at Marina Sands, really cool. Definitely worth seeing. Now time to take a grab and go back to my Airbnb. And if you get here, you got to get here early to get the best seat or standing right there in front where I was, because everybody starts stacking up. All right, see you later.